Today I will teach you how to not find your Facebook in Google and other search engines. Swipe the touchscreen to the left, find Facebook like, then press wait for it. It's loading and okay. Take time, be patient, wait for it. Right, click the hamburger button, scroll down, find the settings. Scroll down and find how people will find and contact you. Scroll down. Do you want search engines to link to my Facebook profile? Turn off so nobody will find you in Google or any search engines. Now we will go to Chrome and check if we successfully not link our Facebook profile. As you can see, Friends Tabo account is not in the list. You can only see my YouTube channel. Yeah. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks.